Edvotek Kit S-45, Pipetting by Numbers. Pipetting is an important laboratory technique that enables scientists to accurately and precisely measure their samples in the lab, which in turn results in successful and repeatable experiments. However, this skill can be challenging to teach your students. This is why Edvotek developed Pipetting by Numbers. This hands-on kit takes pipetting practice and transforms it into a STEAM adventure that encourages good technique and creativity. Students master precision and accuracy while creating fun, science-themed pixel art. In Module 1, students learn pipetting essentials. They'll learn to aspirate liquids, dispense them, and avoid errors like a pro. Module 2 guides students through paint by numbers pipetting to create a colorful science-themed classroom poster. And in Module 3, students use their imagination to create custom, STEAM-inspired artworks. It's where art and science come together. Edvotek Kit S-45 is designed for 10 lab groups. It includes dies, test strips, canvases, instructions, and microcentrifuge tubes. Ready for a classroom that sparks creativity and precision in equal measure? Pipetting by Numbers is your ticket to a vibrant biotech experience. Try Edvotek Kit S-45 today